This is a series of videos. Please refer to the methods of stitches, ignoring the yarn color. Select the corresponding yarn colors in your material package to learn. Please refer to both the videos and the instructional brochure during your crocheting process. Please make sure to first view the beginning 10 instructional videos to learn the basic methods of crocheting, and then view the instructional videos for your purchased product.
The Mermaid Cat. Take out the practice yarn and corresponding hook from the kits. Please watch the tutorial videos and practice the basic stitches first. The head. Take out the corresponding yarn. Wrap the yarn around your little finger and then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. If the yarn tail is too short, we can pull the yarn tail to make it longer. And we can pull the other side to shorten the yarn tail. Leave a long yarn tail here. Working into a magic ring. Make a loop around your middle finger and pinch the crossover of the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. We'll use 2.5mm crochet hook. Insert hook into the loop on middle finger. Yarn under the hook and pull up a loop. A magic ring is formed on the middle finger.
Work into a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your little finger. Then bring it up to index finger. Make loop around your middle finger. Pinch the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the loop on your middle finger. Yarn on the hook, pull up a loop. The loop on the middle finger becomes the magic ring.
In round 1, start with a chain stitch and then work 6 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 substitch. The chain stitch serves as the beginning of each round to raise the height, and the substitch serves as the ending to join each round. They are not counted into the number of stitches. For 1 chain stitch first. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch.
First, work a chain stitch. Yarn on the hook, pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch.
Such a V shape is formed on the side. The chain stitch is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 6 single crochets. Remove the magic ring from the middle finger. Insert hook into the magic ring. Yarn over the hook and pull up a loop through the ring. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. That's a single crochet.
Insert hook into the magic ring. Pull up loop through the magic ring. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn on the hook. Pull through both loops on the hook. 1 single crochet is done.
Such a V shape is formed on the side. We need to mark the first stitch of every round. Place the marker in the first stitch through the underneath of both loops of the V shape. Continue to work 5 more single crochets in the same way. Six V shapes on the side stand for 6 single crochets. We can count the V shapes to check the number of stitches. Put the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Remove the marker and put 1 substitch in the first stitch to join this round. Insert the hook into the marked stitch. Yarn over the hook and put up a loop through the stitch. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then pull the first loop on hook through the original on the hook. That's 1 substitch.
Snip stitch. Insert hook into the next stitch. Hook the yarn. Pull the yarn through the stitch and also pull it through the original loop on the hook. That's a snip stitch. Repeat. Insert hook into next stitch. Hook the yarn. Pull the yarn through the stitch and also pull it through the original loop on the hook. Repeat 1 more time. Okay, that's a snip stitch.
The substitch serves a connection. It is now counted into the number of stitches. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with a chain stitch and then work 6 increases. Finally, end with 1 substitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's the chain stitch. The chain stitch is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then we'll 6 increases. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. We wear the first stitch of each round in the stitch where we just put the third stitch of last round. We should insert hook through both loops of the V-shapes to finish the following stitches. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. First, put 1 single crochet in the first stitch where we just put the third stitch of last round. Mark the first single crochet. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. That's 1 increase.
Increase. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. In the next stitch, we'll show how to work 1 increase. First, work a single crochet in the next stitch. Then, work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. One increase is done.
There are 2 V-shapes on the side. Continue to work 5 more increases in the same way. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. 6 increases are done. We can see 2 small V shapes here. One is a substitch of the previous round, and the other one is the chain stitch of this round. They are not counted into the number stitches. Skip these 2 V shapes and put one substitch in the marked stitch. The substitch serves a connection. It is not counted into the number stitches. Round 2 is done. Pay attention to the yarn's tightness during crocheting. If the yarn is too tight, we can't insert the hook easily. If it's too loose, the fabric will be out of shape.